how to change your seats on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change seats on Hawaii Airlines. Now, to change your seats, the first step is to visit the Hawaii Airlines website or the mobile app. And then once you've visited it, on the page, ensure you log in into your Hawaii Miles account. And how do you log in? Move to the top right corner, click on the sign in option, enter in all of your details, and then go ahead and sign in. And then after signing in, move to the lowest part of the screen and click on my trips. My trip is next to home. So after clicking on my trips, you'll be brought to the page where you will see all of your trips in here. And the next thing is that next to the trips, each of the trips, you'll see the options open itinerary. So just click on that so that you can modify that particular trip. So on the itinerary page, scroll down to the seat assignment section and click change seats. Then select your desired seats for each flight. Click continue to confirm your seat changes, and then if you have to make any additional payment, you would be notified. Go ahead, make the payment, and then your seats will be changed. Another thing is by contacting the customer support. You can move to the lower right corner of the screen where you can see the more option. Click on it, and then on this more page you can see the first tab which says get in touch, and then under this you can see three other options such as message center, chat with us, contact us. Select any of these three options to contact the customer service and then state your consent and you'll be responded to. So this is how you can change your seats on Hawaii Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good